So it's a new day and Ace Hardware was open now, so we got new studs and went ahead and threw some anti-seize on it. Yeah, so went ahead and threw some anti-seize on it real quick, and then just thread it in there, maybe. And here's the other one. If anyone's wondering, these are M8 by 1.25. And yep, so I'm gonna throw on some of this, and I grabbed two new nuts also. Got some stainless ones, figure why not. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead, throw on the other one, tighten both of them up, and then should be good to go. So this just came in the mail, the turbine gasket. It's Kinugawa. I don't know how to say it. But yeah, this looks pretty good. It almost looks like OEM, like thickness wise. Here's the other one. Actually, OEM one looks a little thinner. This is nice and thick. But yeah, this is nice and thick, unlike the max beating rod gasket. I feel like I'm gonna regret putting this. That's pretty thin. It's a lot thinner than the OEM one. Looks like I threw it out already. But this is pretty good. I will say this. I don't know how to compare it to OEM ones, because this one is just has seen some days. But yeah, I don't know if it'll show the thickness. But yeah, I figured, I was like, let me just get a new gasket. This was 15 bucks, so it wasn't too bad. So yeah, just gonna start assembling. And so this will go like so. Oh, sorry, I'm holding the camera and I don't want to cover the mic. Ooh, doesn't want to go in. I don't know if my studs are. The hell? Maybe wrong way? Nope. Yeah, that goes like that. Technical difficulties. I'll put down the camera. Couple taps in. Gasket is in there. So now we can line up the down pipe. Oh, other way. This is gonna go like so. So I want to test fit it because I did go ahead and get new studs. I want to see if they clear. So put down the camera again. So the down pipe kind of fits a little snug. Like it kind of got to whack it in place, but it also still wouldn't settle. So what I'm thinking is, I got the neck size up. It's not too big, but it should give me a little bit of clearance. I'm just gonna go ahead and drill the down pipe, and just so it makes it easier to put on and off. Hopefully the other holes are not too bad, but it looks like the turbo just a few little millimeters off, because I had the same problem with the gasket. So, but other than that, the other holes look to be aligned with the gasket. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll go from there.